This video is going to go through a vectors question, looking at some geometry including vectors with a bit of ratio and algebra in there as well. So this is quite a difficult question, however it is something that is likely to appear on that higher paper. So I've drawn the diagram here and I've written down the question. I want you to pause the video, get it written down, and then press play once you're ready to hear my model example. So we've got this triangle here, ABC, and we've got a vector AC that's equal to 3A and AB that's equal to B. We want to find the vector BP, so we're looking for the vector that will take us from B to P. Now we are told that P is a point on BC such that BP to PC is 1 to 2. So that means that the distance from B to P is a third of the distance from B to C. So that's 1/3 of the distance B to C. Now, if you're struggling with the ratio part of that and how I've understood that that's a third, I'm going to just use a bar model to quickly explain that. So if the ratio of BP to PC is 1 to 2, then we know that the fraction of the line BC that BP makes, so the fraction of BP out of the line BC, must be 1 out of 1, 2, 3 parts of that ratio, or 1/3. So we know that BP is equal to 1/3 BC. So all we need to do then is find the vector BC and then find 1/3 of that vector to find our vector BP. So BC, the way that I would do this, if I want the vector B to C, I want to start at B. I want to go from B to A and then from A to C. Now the reason why I've taken this route is because we have to go on a route with vectors that are given to us. We are given the vector AB and we're given the vector AC, so I've decided to go this way. Now you can see here, when I go from B to A, I'm actually going in the opposite direction of that vector AB. So the vector AB is equal to positive B, but the vector BA, that is the opposite direction, so that's going to be negative B. The vector AC, that is 3A. So my vector BC, that's equal to BA plus AC, which is equal to negative B, so we're going to negative B, and then 3A. So my vector BP is going to equal 1/3 of that, so 1/3 of minus B plus 3A. 1/3 of minus B is negative 1/3 B. 1/3 of 3A is just A. So my answer is negative 1/3 B plus A, or A subtract 1/3 B.